Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's dive right into today's word, which is bee. A bee is a flying insect known for making honey and pollinating plants. They're an essential part of our ecosystem, buzzing around flowers and helping plants grow while also producing that delicious honey we all love. You might see a bee in a garden, hear its buzzing, or even enjoy the fruits of its hard work in the form of flowers and food. Some synonyms for bee include honeybee, which refers specifically to the species that produces honey, and worker, which is a term for a hardworking insect like a bee in a hive. For example, the honeybee landed softly on the sunflower, or every worker has its role in the hive. While not a direct synonym, you might also think of insects like wasps or hornets when discussing buzzing creatures, though they are quite different from a bee. On the other hand, some antonyms for bee might be creatures that do not fly or buzz around, such as butterflies, which flutter gracefully, or ants, which stay close to the ground. For example, unlike a bee, a butterfly moves silently and softly. In everyday life, the word bee pops up in a variety of ways. You might use it to describe the literal insect, such as, "There's a bee buzzing around the picnic table," or in expressions like busy as a bee, which describes someone who is very hardworking. You could also hear it in events like a spelling bee, which is a competition where people spell words out loud. Here are a few more sentence examples to help you understand the word bee. The garden was full of blooming flowers and buzzing bees. She's as busy as a bee preparing for her exams. During the spelling bee, the students impressed everyone with their skills. To sum it up, a bee is not just an insect that makes honey. It's also a symbol of hard work and community in our language. Thanks for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed learning about bee, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and keeps us buzzing along. Before you go, why not try creating your own sentence using the word bee and share it with us in the comments? I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.